Hello. Today we're diving into the world of Tangem wallets and the vast universe of cryptocurrencies they support. If you've ever wondered what you can store on one of these card-style hardware wallets, you're in the right place. Tangem has made it a point to support a huge number of digital assets, making it a serious contender for anyone looking for a simple, secure storage solution. So, what are we talking about here? As of late 2025, Tangem supports over 16,000 cryptocurrencies across more than 85 different blockchain networks. That's a massive number, and it continues to grow. This includes all the major players and a huge variety of smaller, less-known projects. This extensive support is thanks to the way Tangem integrates with various blockchain networks, not just individual coins. Tangem supports all the top-tier blockchains, including Bitcoin, BTC the OG. Of course, it's supported. Ethereum, ETH. This is a big one. Not only does it support Ethereum itself, but also the thousands of ERC20 tokens built on the network. Solana, SOL, known for its speed and low transaction fees, Solana and its SPL tokens are fully supported. BNB Smart Chain, BSC, a popular network for DeFi and gaming, Tangem supports BNB and all BEP20 tokens. XRP Ledger, XRP, a fast and efficient network for cross-border payments. Polygon, Matic, a scalable Layer 2 solution for Ethereum. Avalanche, AVAX, another popular and fast blockchain. Tron, TRX, known for its low fees and high throughput, Tangem also supports all TRC20 tokens. These are just a few examples. The list is extensive and also includes networks like Hedera, Hashgraph, Arbitrum, Base, and many more. Given the huge number of supported assets, you might be wondering how to check if a specific coin or token is on the list. Tangem makes this easy. You can visit the supported assets page on their website and use the search function. It's the most reliable way to see if your favorite asset is compatible. If a specific token isn't directly listed but is on a supported network, like an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network, you can likely add it manually using its smart contract address. This flexibility is a key feature of the Tangem wallet. The takeaway here is that Tangem is designed to be a versatile and secure hardware wallet for a huge range of cryptocurrencies. Its support for over 16,000 tokens across 85-plus networks means you can consolidate your digital assets in one place, all secured by the Tangem card. It's a powerful tool for anyone serious about crypto security.